I am B. Akhil Kumar. I am studying 6th class. My topic is important of English in our life. English is an international language. English is one of the most spoken language in the world. English is has been given priority in most schools in the world. English is the third most spoken language in the world. Nowadays, English is not just a language. It has become a way of life. Nowadays, mainly on social media and internet, where most English language used. All companies conduct interviews in English only, so knowing necessary to get a good position in such places. Our education based on English language, it is very important to learn English. Studying English language provide an opportunity to develop our skills for better career building. Thank you, Anurag, for giving this opportunity.